Irish families heading to Europe on holiday this summer have been warned of large measles outbreaks. France, Spain, Romania and the Netherlands have all seen outbreaks of the disease. Further afield, there have also been measles outbreaks in the US, Canada, Vietnam, Cambodia and the Philippines. The Health Protection Surveillance Centre said the HSE is concerned that measles outbreaks may occur in Ireland this summer as families with unvaccinated children and adults travel to countries where measles cases have been reported. Several outbreaks led to a rise in the number of cases of measles last year, and around 16 have been reported in the last 12 weeks. Last year, Europe saw the highest level of measles in 25 years, with 127,000 cases reported. The Irish Disease Watchdog has said that the best way to protect you and your family against measles is to ensure all family members are up to date with the recommended doses of MMR vaccine before travelling abroad. MMR vaccine is available free of charge from your GP for individuals born on or after the 1st of January 1978 who are not age appropriately vaccinated. In addition, infants aged 6 months to under 12 months are eligible to receive an MMR vaccine free of charge from their GP prior to travel abroad. It is recommended that individuals receive MMR vaccine at least 14 days prior to travel. And for more on this and other stories, you can read more on the Irish Independent.